Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay, let's take a look again at the euro currency. We will not speak about the Cyprus situation today because I think that you're tracking the news, tracking the different speeches and rumors that now stand on the market. Besides, the banks on the Cyprus will be closed till the Monday, 26th of March. So and probably the solution will come sooner rather than later. We will focus today on the technical picture and start from the daily time frame. So recall this picture that we have discussed in the beginning of the week. So from the classical point of view, that is rather bearish situation. So we have the thrust flag, bearish flag, and starting the continuation to the downside. Take a look that our market now is consolidates right near and around the lower border of the flag. Well, in the most cases, if this is the failure breakout to the downside, market should show a return right back rather fast, at least above the medium border of the flag, right to the upper border, when it has failed to show the real breakout. But here we see that market has shown breakout and now coiling around the lower border. This, I suppose, is the sign that probably market could show downward acceleration in the nearest future. That is what we see on this chart based on the classical picture. On the daily time frame that we previously discussed with this stop grabbers pattern, we see that they are still intact because market hasn't taken out of these lows. Even more, we see that market has formed another one yesterday. That is also the stop grabber, bullish stop grabber pattern. So we have the three stop grabbers right in a row in the daily time frame, and all of them are inside trading sessions. So we see the first trading session that was inside of the previous, and yesterday also was the inside one for the Wednesday trading session. Now we see also the relatively tight range of trading. So market now is calling around the significant area, although theoretically these patterns haven't failed yet. The situation in the market that stagnates the tight range without any attempt to continue move to the upside is a bit suspicious. Well, on the lower time frame, the same patterns continue to forming that we have discussed. In fact, there is nothing new with them. Only on the 4-hour time frame, we see that market also has formed the stop grabber to the upside, suggesting of taking out of these highs, which probably could happen. In fact, the bullish sentiment will be established only if market will taken out of these highs. In this case, we could say that market has broken the standards that we already discussed a million of times here and continue move to the upside. Here we have this small stop grabber on the 4-hour time frame, but the most interesting for us the situation on the hourly time frame, where the pattern is forming that we have discussed yesterday. That is the reverse head and shoulders pattern, and until now, by now, it still holds. Yesterday we said that we probably should be focused on some deep retracements around 128.94, and you can see market has hit this level and now is calling around, starting to trying to jump up to the upside and to form this pattern. But currently I do not see any progress with it. You see that market looks heavy. This small attempt to bounce up from this level, market has shown this heavy move to the downside. So fast return back. My experience tells that in most cases the reverse head and shoulders patterns fail on the hourly time frame. I see it million of times when especially on the hourly time frame, and especially the reverse head and shoulders very often shows the failure. That's why in fact we currently stand at the point. So if you would like to enter long here, as I said, if you still would like to take any position right now, probably you stay at the level where that you should watch for, because the market failed there, continue move down, then probably will tell us that this pattern has failed. And if it will start move to the upside with this pattern, it will start it right now from this level. If you're bearish, then in this case probably better to wait at minimum the failure around this area, or better to take it out of these lows. That will tell us that market is ready for downward continuation. And with this daily flag, if even you will enter somewhere around this area, you will have the significant room for profit. In fact, we just can focus only on the same situation as we have discussed yesterday. I think that in the nearest hours the situation with this head and shoulders pattern will be resolved, and we will get more or less clarity about whether market will continue move to the upside, or it will show the continuation to the downside.